Hello there, Mac friends. Brent coming to you. I'm gonna just show something I did with this PostHog website. So PostHog is a company that provides a lot of developer products for analytics, etc. I found a little bug on their website and I wanted to fix it. So I downloaded I checked out the website and set it up on my local. So I'm gonna go through how I did that here so you can do that too. I think it's a good little experience. Their website is located in their GitHub repository. So if you want to find the whole repository, you can see it's their PostHog and then posthog.com repository. I then went to clone the code. So git clone. And now this is going to take a little while. So I'll fast forward through this and then we'll be back on the next part of it. Okay. Okay, so now it's done. We've checked out the whole repository and we can go cd posthog.com. All right, we are in the repository. You can see the contents here. It took a little while. It's like almost 2 gigs of files because they're very busy. Everything they publish on their website is done through git commit. So very internet native company. Okay, so now we're going to follow the instructions on how to do this. So they have their instructions here on doing a quick start. So some of these things I tried to run, and let's see if we can get it to work. So I've done some of these things I've done before. We'll see if they work again. So we'll make sure yarn is installed. Okay, looks like that was already installed the last time, so there we go, that works. We've already done the git clone. Then it looks like we want to get rid of the modules folder here. Let's see, is there a modules folder? That should have worked. So remove the modules and we're going to install VIPS. That's done. Let's check on doing yarn and yarn start. So that's working. So as you can see here, there's references to Gatsby. This is a Gatsby website. And now I guess it's setting this up. So once this is finished, the website should be running. But we may have a problem because I believe we're not using the right node. And so we did skip a step here on the pre-installation actually. But what's kind of good is the first time I did this, I ran into the error. So hopefully you will see the error I had. Oh, boom, okay. So we do have one error already there. Okay, now it looks like it's transforming the node. So that's going through all the content and building up the cache. And so this takes a while. So again, I will probably come back later on after this is finished. But wait, in the meantime, let's see if we can just go there and see what version of Node we're using. And no, npm help, I guess. It's npm ls. Okay, so that gets, so the current version looks like it is 18, defaulting to 18. So that's why it's probably working. So if you do not have it set up correctly, you can do something like nvm install 18, I believe. And then that will install Node 18. So it's already installed, and that's what we're using. Unfortunately, they're using a little bit older version of Node, and so we have to deal with that. And because I'd already dealt with it once, I think we're okay here. Now it's still transforming these nodes. So let's take a pause and then we'll be back when it's finished. Okay, I'm back and there was some issues here. When I used this yarn and yarn start, I think it basically got into an infinite loop. I'm not really sure why. I don't think I saw that last time, but definitely what I did do last time was to separately build and not use yarn. So after that, what I just did right now was I did a npx Gatsby build command. So a little bit different than here because I don't have Gatsby installed globally, but that seemed to work and build everything. And then now next thing I'm going to do to serve it. So let's do npx Gatsby serve. Now we're going to do that, and you can see this I think is port 9000. Normally it's 8001. I think this is the kind of production version, and the other one is the local version. So let's just go and test this one out. And there you go. You have the website showing on localhost. I can go to the company section, handbook, why does PostHog exist? There you go. It's all served locally. Now let's try and do the dev version. So we're going to Control C to cancel out here. npx Gatsby develop. Yeah, so this is the one that I had started to use more frequently after I got this set up. And again, it's gonna build, I think, more of a developer version of the website. I believe it's putting the website in memory. So I think I will come back after this is done again. So let me wait and see you on the next command completion. Okay, so here we resume. I have typed in the npx Gatsby develop, and in that terminal, it has done all the processing of all the pages and is now running in the background. This allows me to go to the website. Now, the docs say to do 8001. What I found is it's not 8001. Previously when I was doing this, I was always on 8000. You can see in the background, there's some activity as I am serving up the pages locally, localhost 8000. So I think the docs are wrong. Then now we can go here to say company, handbook, and that's the first entry in the handbook. Why does PostHog exist? And this is cool. So I got this page up. We'll be in the terminal here. So I'll show you the working directory I'm in. So I'm in posthog.com, contents handbook, right? So we'll go down one here so you can see there's the contents. Okay, we'll go down another one so you can see this is the root of the website where all the configuration is. We go into contents, okay, and in there we can see the various sections of the website, and then I want to go to the handbook, so I'm just going to type handbook. Once in the handbook, I can then edit the why we are here page. And so why does this PostHog exist is the slug there. So then I can say with my text editor, why does PostHog exist, .md, and I've opened it here. Now let's make a change, okay? And we can just do a hello PostHog, and we'll save. If we go back here, we can see some things happening in the background. There's pages being created. It's going through the loop. Gatsby has realized that the page has changed, and then it's automatically updated in my browser. So that's how you check out the PostHog, set it up, and then change something in it. So you got to make sure you're on node 18 once you get it. The yarn commands didn't work, and I had to prefix the Gatsby commands with npx because I don't have Gatsby installed globally. But once I did a npx, once I did a yarn, just yarn, that set up all the dependencies. Then I did a npx Gatsby build, which built it for the developer part of things. And then I did npx Gatsby develop. Okay. And then that is what is running currently in the background and allowing me to change these markdown files and have it update automatically in the browser. So then I hope in another video to show you how I made a change to the website, which included creating a new Gatsby plugin. Stay tuned for that, and please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thanks. This is Brent signing off. See you in the next video.